Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this butterfly updo of cornrows and messy bun. Even though the style looks very intricate, all these braids are created to adding hair only from the one side, so if you can do this, you can create this updo as well. I'm beginning the style by creating the rectangle shape on top of my head. Then I share that rectangle diagonally in two. And yet after that I create that diagonally again from the another corner, creating a total of 4 pieces that are triangle shaped. I start braiding from the sides and I put the front and back piece away to wait. Spray some water to my hair before starting the braiding. Then I take a very small piece from the front, share it 3, and start to braid, bringing strands from sides alternately under to the middle and adding hair from the middle towards the side. This time that means that you add hair from the left side of the braid and skip the adding from the right side. Again, add from the left. Make sure that the piece you add in is small. Then right under, left under, again add some hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. And keep on repeating in this way until you added all the hair from this section inside the braid. Once you created this first lace braid on side, do the same to the another side. Next, I move to the front and back pieces. I share them again in two, creating kind of middle parting. And again, I have 4 pieces. Another half away and start braiding from the another. Spray some water and then start from the front. Take a horizontal piece from the front, turn it to the back and then start the braid. You need again 3 strands and you need to move them like before, from side alternately under to the middle. I add hair from the right side towards the left. So add hair. Left under. Right under. just simply keep on repeating this until you added both of the pieces you left open from this side into the braid. In the middle where the parting turns pretty narrow, you don't need to add every single time hair if that feels difficult. The braid is that big on this point that it won't show how you added hair or not. Just remember add hair similarly again when the parting starts to turn wider again. Next, you need to do exactly the same to the other side, except on this time as a mirror. So spray some water to your hair before starting, and then take horizontal piece from the front, very small piece, and share it in 3. And yet start the braid, bringing strands alternately from side, under to the middle, and add hair this time from the left side of the braid. So every time you braid these braids to the middle, you add hair as the opposite than on the sides. When on the side you added always hair from the middle towards the side, now you add hair from side towards the middle. Now the top piece of the style is ready. I will create yet some braids on the sides. So I part the side in 2 and take the topmost piece and start the braid. Same braid as before, 3 strands, and you need to move them alternately from side under to the middle while adding hair only from the one side. Now you add hair from top to downwards, so in this particular braid it means you add hair from the left side of the braid, while on right side you just move the strand under to the middle. On left, move the strand under to the middle and add hair. Then again right under to the middle and left under to the middle, add hair. And yet keep on repeating this pattern until you added all the hair from this piece inside the braid. Next, I will create something similar below the first braid on side. So yet move 3 strands from sides alternately under to the middle, and this time add hair from below towards the top. So now you add hair from the right side inside the braid and make the left stitch without adding more hair. And once you finish this braid, remember to create the same pattern also to the other side. Now when all braids are done, I put my hair to the ponytail and create an updo. First, bring all the hair to the front and create a loop using the bubble. I shape the bun shape about circle before creating the loops more. So just take some hair and slip the end of the hair through the bubble and repeat this until you have no hair left. And here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you would like to see more hairstyles I create daily, you need to watch out my Instagram account where I post every day something I've created to my hair. Have a great day and happy braiding!